The year was 2016. I found myself sitting on the floor of a changing room, clenching onto a men's extra large t shirt. Tears streaming down my face. I felt absolutely alien in the body that I was in. On one hand, it was the best time of my life. The miracle that I had prayed for through multiple failed IVFs had come true. My little baby boy was 40 days old, and the doctor had finally given me a green signal to go to the gym. On the other, I did not recognize the person that I saw in the mirror, and the mountain in front of me just seemed too high to climb. That moment on the floor was so much more than just about the t-shirt. It was about me feeling absolutely lost. And yet in that really low moment, there was this little voice inside my head that said this doesn't have to be my story. It was that day that I started paying attention to what was really happening inside me. And it came down to one thing, and that is hormones. My story with hormones started long before my breakdown in that changing room. Years of unexplained infertility, failed IVFs, doctors telling me that my chances were really slim. But when I decided to dig deeper, I found the missing piece. With few lifestyle changes and fixing my nutrition, I conceived naturally. Something that most doctors said would never happen. Here I was thinking that the hardest part was over. My beautiful baby was born. But this was the beginning of another difficult chapter. Nobody tells you what happens next. The postpartum depression, the exhaustion, and my weight just wouldn't budge. But with a lot of research and reading a lot of medical journals and maybe divine intervention, I realized that I was dealing with autoimmune thyroid. Again, something that conventional medical tests hadn't picked up on. That was a major turning point for me. From that point on, everything changed. I changed the way I ate, I changed the way I moved, I even changed the way I spoke to myself. And slowly the weight began to drop and I started to feel fantastic. I got certified. I used all the knowledge through my certification and what I had studied over that time. I not only applied it on myself, but also started to apply it on so many other women who came with the same story of weight gain and exhaustion and unexplained symptoms again and again and again. But as I dug deeper into the subject of hormones, I realized that we have a lot more power than we know we do. So if you've ever felt lost in your own body, I want you to know that you're not broken and you're certainly not in this alone. I have been there and I have found my way back, and I'm here to help you do exactly the same. I felt very helpless in my body for a very long time. I felt defeated and I felt like nobody understands me. And Fit Chef was born because I never wanted any other woman to feel like that ever again. All the knowledge that I had amassed through my experience, through my very hard journey and a lot of studying, I wanted to use it to make your life not just easier, but for you to thrive as the best version of yourself. When Fit Chef started back in 2020, it just started as an experiment to help everybody feel motivated and happier in their own skin at the beginning of COVID. It started with videos of me meditating with my son, of me exercising, of me cooking, to show you how simple things can make a big impact in your life. What has slowly grown into this massive community, which I so love and I'm so grateful for, I can only hope that I can grow its strength to strength from here on. We all know that we need this more than ever right now. In this world where we live of massive addictions, it has become absolutely critical that we understand that it's super important what we put inside our body, not just the food we eat, but also the content we consume. And I'm here to inspire you to become the absolute best version of yourself. If you like what you hear, then don't forget to share it with a friend and like and subscribe so that you can get on this fantastic journey with me, where every time I'm going to share some information that's going to help you live a better and healthier life.